Understanding geometry nodes. In this video, we look at various ways to move one side of the default cube. Let's take some time to broaden our understanding of geometry nodes. The node that can move the vertices in the geometry node is the set position node. If you adjust the offset value in a state where a specific vertex is not selected, all vertices are considered selected. You can see the effect of moving the entire object. Vertices, edges, and faces each have their own index number. We will proceed by looking at the index number. The link to download the index viewer created by Mohammad Riaz is in the video description. Now, if you add an index node and connect a compare node, you can control the position of only the vertices you want, just like edit mode. By selecting two adjacent vertices together, you can create the effect of moving the edge. By selecting four vertices together, you can create the effect of moving the face. However, it is too complicated to configure a node just to move a face. In addition, in order to select another face other than the previously selected face, there are 4 numbers that need to be changed. Therefore, a node configuration like this can move the face, but it is difficult to see it as a good node configuration. Then, what would be a good node configuration to move the faces freely? First, just as each vertex has an index number, edges and faces each have their own index number. Check the face index number through the index viewer node. If the faces have their respective index numbers, it will be much easier to control each face if it is not the index number of the vertex that is selected through the compare node, but the index number of the face. However, by default, geometry nodes recognize index numbers in units of vertices. Through the capture attribute node, index numbers can be recognized in units of faces. Add a capture attribute node. If you change the mode to face, the input index value is recognized as the index of the face, not the index of the vertex. In the Blender version so far, this level of node configuration seems the most concise to move the face.